Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a bath mat that is a waffle texture. So let's go ahead and check this thing out. Let's see what this looks like. I have a tub just like that coming in here shortly into the house. And then this is the bath mat here. It's got like a rubbery kind of back on it, so that's good. So it'll keep it from, you can kind of, I don't know if you can tell, it'll keep it from sliding around. And the size of this one is this size. You can see right there, whatever that is, a couple of feet wide by a foot and a half there. And it's got a bit of a pattern on it. I don't know if you can see the pattern going on there. It's got these U shapes on it. And this side here is really soft and terry cloth, but it has the waffle texture. Look at that. And then the sides have the little fray. It's a nice little bath mat, so this will be good. This will be great in front of the bathtub because it's long and wide, and so that'll be where we put it. So definitely a nice bath mat, and with the little rubber stuff in the back so it'll stick where you put it down and it won't slide around, so that'll be nice. So I'm gonna put this in the washer, get it all cleaned up and ready to go. Very cool. I like this one. Thumbs up for sure.